Hello students, our lesson today is tangents. So, a line or line segment is a tangent to a circle if it intersects the circle exactly one. Look at this figure here. Line L here, tangent to both circles. It's tangent for this one and also tangent for this one. It intersects the circle just at one point here and here. Okay, now look at the bottom figure. From point P, we can draw two tangent lines from P to X and from P to Y. So PX, line segment PX and line segment PY are each tangent to the circle. So from any point outside the circle, exactly two tangents can be drawn to the circle. Like here, from P to X and from the same point P to Y. So from any point outside the circle, we can draw just two tangents. Now, if two tangents are drawn from a point P outside a circle, intersecting the circle at some point here and some point here, so the line segment from P to the intersecting point and from P to another intersecting point are equal. If we assume the point here is A and this one is B, the line segment PA equals PB. Now, what about angles of XPY? The measure of the angle formed by two tangents drawn from the same point is 1/2 the difference of the two intercepted arcs. So here we can note that here we have from this intercepting point to this intercepting point, here we have an arc. So the measure of the angle, which the central angle formed by this arc, is assume it's X. So the measure of angle XPY equals 1/2 of the difference of the two intercepted arcs. So here, if this one is X and this one, the biggest one here, is Y, so the measure of the angle P here equals 1/2 of the difference of two intercepted arcs, so the difference between Y and X. And the last fact we have to know about tangent lines is a line tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius or diameter drawn to the point of contact. So here, this is the center of the circle. From the center, we have the radius, or the end of the radius here at the tangent intercepting point. So the angle formed from the radius and the tangent line is 90 degrees, so it's right angle. And the same thing about the second tangent line here. If we have the second radius from the center of the circle to the tangent line, so the angle here is also right angle, and it equals 90 degrees.